At the University of Iowa, meal plans offer both flex and marketplace swipes. The most flexible option available, Flex Swipes, can be used in the all-you-care-to-eat marketplaces and at the retail locations that accept flex meals. The Gold and Black meal plans also offer meal swipes for use exclusively in marketplace locations. Marketplace meals will draw from the number of marketplace swipes provided in your Gold or Black meal plan. Once you run out of marketplace swipes, Flex Swipes will be used automatically. Every meal plan contains 75 Flex Swipes for use in marketplace and retail locations. In retail locations, a swipe can be used to purchase a meal comprised of one entree, 2 sides, and a drink. Hawkeye Dollars are funds available to you with your room contract that may be used at all of our campus dining locations, laundry services, and at some vending machines in the residence halls. You will receive 100 Hawkeye Dollars added to your account at the beginning of each semester you live in the residence halls. For more information, visit dining.uiowa.edu.